Hello viewers, and for you today I have another two coins from my collection. These are United States 3-cent coins, both from 1866, also known as a 3-cent nickel. They are made of 75% copper and 25% nickel. They are 1.94 grams in weight and 17.9 millimeters in diameter, and 4.8 million of them were minted. These were originally minted to purchase the 3-cent stamps from post offices. And the 3-cent nickel was minted from 1865 to 1889. And on the obverse we have the female portrait of Liberty with the date below. And I'll show you the reverse. The one on the left is horribly damaged. Somebody decided to deface it. But what should be on the back are Roman numerals for 3 within a wreath. These coins are 17.9 millimeters in diameter, almost 18, as you can see on the screen there. These coins weigh 1.94 grams, or close to 2 grams. And it's rated just a little bit high. And this one is weighing in about 1.6 grams, probably due to the fact somebody defaced the back and scraped off the Roman numerals. Okay, these are the United States 3-cent nickels, both from 1866. The one on the left is worth $12, the one on the right is worth $40. And the one on the left is graded much lower due to the fact that it's been defaced on the back side. They are made of 75% copper and 25% nickel. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.